appears to be a new day. We've woken up, had some breakfast. Now we're gonna actually go on the hunt and find us a croissant. A croissant. Apparently you're supposed to get a coffee and dip it into your coffee. I still don't know how I feel about that, but I mean, we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna see what it's like. And yeah, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hey, look at him cruising, eh? Look at him, eh? Ooh, I think you see me videoing him. Oh, cruising. Alright, yes, we're gonna go find a croissant and a coffee and go take a photo and get out of here. I'll update you to what we do and where we go. Wow, cars. This is fucking huge. Absolutely. What are we doing here, man? What are we doing here?
Looking at the Louvre.
Looking at the Louvre?
That big triangle thing.
Oh, yeah. Right, what's it called? What is this place like for? What is the Louvre thing? What is it? Do you know?
It's got the Mona Lisa inside of it.
Oh, yeah. Wow, cars. Let me have a look at that. The attention to detail is still nuts.
This is my head. By his feet.
No, this is just propping up a business. Hey. Alright, I'll speak to you a bit later.
What up, people? Ooh, looking good, or? So I've always wanted to see myself one of these, eh? I want to have a look. I want to get a look. Very nice. Very normal to these people. Whoa, okay. GTA or?
You won't be able to go down to the train.
I know, I just want to have a look. Wow, cars. Wow. Amazing. Cool cars. If you want it or? Anything cool? What's those glass? Anything cool? Sup, cousin? What's going on? It's Choo-Choo. What is happening in there? Weird. What the hell's going on? Let's have all these. I'm confused. I'm a bit confused. Like, why are you fucking putting photos of construction like people actually doing work? Well. Well, guys, yeah, we're gonna go find a croissant and get a coffee and then, yeah. Go have a look around. I'll update you. Right, had to get a coffee. We got the coffee. No waiting on the croissants. We've got it. We have got it. Fresh as nuts. All right, let's do it. Pretty good. Pretty bangers, folks. Just a mega pastry. Load up. Holy hectic. Still so gooey in the inside. Yeah, it's pretty mega cars. Alright, we're gonna smash this and then probably find a Subway because I want proper food. Starving. Looks pretty gangster, cars. So we got some like souvenirs and shit, just walked around, looked at some stuff, started pissing down the rain. So now we're just gonna find out how to pay for our parking. And then, yeah, what else are we doing?
We're gonna go see the hospital that they kept all the hysterical women in.
Oh yeah, all the hysterical women. We're
Hysterical.
gonna go find that and then head the fuck on, eh? I actually don't know how, I think I got enough videos today of this place. I don't actually fucking even know. We're getting the fuck out of here now though. Just had some Subway. Heading to Belgium and then back to Amsterdam. So Belgium's the last destination. Pretty sad. That's alright. Yeah. Belgium, back to Amsterdam for like 2 days and then I'm off to Australia, so we'll update you. It's like a fucking 5-hour drive to Belgium, so I'll update you when I feel like I need to, or when I just get there. Another name, Red Vlog's life, baby. And I got some ice from this supermarket. Still like 3 hours left. I'm gonna fill up, smash this these chicken, what do you call them? Fucking chicken tenders. And then I'll update you to what we do and where we stop and where we go. Oh, fucking tired. I'm gonna sleep or quick nap or almost at the spot. And check this motherfucker out. He was having so much fun before. Oh, come back to sitting how you were.
You look like a
Surely.
little froggy.
You seemed like a little dog before. They're pretty gangster. They like fucking hair on their feet. Pretty tough cars. Alright, should we go? Bro's got a really itchy foot, eh?
That one's blonde behind him. The blonde one.
All these flies, that's what my camera's really picking up, eh? I mean, there's flies, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, we're like 2 minutes away. I'll update you when we get there. Yeah, just got, whoa, absolutely smoked by poison ivy again. I'm so happy that we don't have poison ivy in New Zealand, because that shit, like, it's just so annoying. It sucks. It just feels like, I don't know, it just gets so itchy, but it's like sharp and pointy at the same time. Anyway, this is the spot we're at. We're gonna figure out what it looks like. Apparently there's like a big lake or something over here, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, this is tough cars. See, that's another reason why you should get a car and because instead of fucking paying, I don't know, 40 euros or whatever every night to stay somewhere, or like 100 and something to actually stay at a proper house, you know, you can come drive your car to spots like this for free. How fucking gangster is that? That's pretty tough, cause
They're split up.
alright, well, look how nuts that is. We have none of these fish in New Zealand, do we? Well, that I know of, at least. Those buzzy cuzzies. I really wish I got a fishing rod, eh? Like, I'm actually, like, so upset with myself. Well, I've been trying to look on for ages and then I kind of stopped because I had 2 more days left. But I mean, hey, I'd still definitely, absolutely, like, slay this lake up all day. Anyway, we're gonna eat some food. I'm sorry, make some food and get a drink, maybe. And then, yo, I'll be in this video. Alrighty, we just got some ham and cheese. Croissants in there. I'm pretty sure I already told you this. Yep. Anyway, it's just another day of Dog's life, baby. Tomorrow, I already told you all this stuff anyway, I don't even care. What am I supposed to say? I don't know what to say. I don't know, St. Luke is keep on keeping on. And if you can help someone else, keep on keeping on. Fucking A, you're a good cunt. Stay, sleep it all, shit. Fucking way.